A long time ago, I had a big, fat Greek wedding. Now my daughter is all grown up. Hope you applied to some local colleges too.
Why do parents always say dream big when they really mean not too big?
Ian and I are just trying to find a minute to ourselves.
How about another date tonight?
And afterward, satin, slippery like an eel. You're welcome. Shave everything.
You look pretty.
What are you doing?
Dad! And my family is still too close.
Parents deserve a sex life, too.
This family's always in my business.
Keep your eyeballs open for a nice Greek boy, so one day you can make babies.
They follow me everywhere. I need some air.
Your mom felt the same way about being Greek.
Florida, Texas, New York. These are the colleges I'm applying to. Why do you want to leave me?
Payback.
But there's always
The priest never signed a wedding license.
a few surprises.
We're not married? I'm a hippie.
Now my family has come together.
Who says a woman has to be married?
You. All our lives.
The wedding is on.
To pull off another
Beautiful.
big, fat Greek wedding.
Take a photo. All right, pull my neck. 1, 2, pull.
But you got to Even though I'm taking a step back, I will always be right here.
Why aren't you in Greek club?
Every day of my life is Greek club.
We come from a long line of strong women. Remember, Paris, protect the Polaki. Eyes open, knees shut.
If your knees are open, shut your eyes.